If you own a 3D printer, you already know part of the process is maintenance of the 3D printer. Maintenance for the 3D printer typically is just going to make sure that you have your oil and your rails lubricated well. And this is 3D printing machine lubricant oil. This is for your rails. You're just going to dab some onto your Q-tip and you're going to run the rails so that you get a nice, smooth, light layer of oil on the rails that is going to help with the traveling of the plate to help create a much nicer finalized print. That is your 3D printing machine lubricant oil. Make sure you follow your maintenance.